It was an astonishing year for Repsol Honda's Marc Marquez as he won a record-breaking 400 points in a Motogp season to claim not just the Riders' Championship but the Manufacturers' and Teams' Championships too.
It's hard to imagine that anybody in the foreseeable future will be able to replicate that kind of season by Marc Marquez.
The Aragon GP was Marc Marquez's 200th career start, including 127 in the Premier class, and at the Czech Grand Prix the number 93 secured the fastest qualifying time to claim his 58th pole, drawing level with Mick Doohan for the all-time record of Premier class poles, which he then went on to break in Austria. In fact, Marquez achieved 10 pole positions in the 19 races this year, giving him a grand total of 62 Premier class poles, 90 across the classes. The Spanish rider continued his journey breaking records in 2019 as he achieved his 77th victory across all the classes in San Marino, putting him ahead of Mike Hailwood in the record books. Over the season he racked up 12 victories in total, giving him 82 across the classes, just 8 less than Angel Nieto in total, and meaning that he overtakes Mick Doohan as the rider with the most Premier class wins, a total of 56 after victory in Valencia. In Jerez, Ducati team rider and 2019 Motogp runner-up Andrea Dovizioso made his 200th start in the Premier class in Jerez at the Spanish Grand Prix, and then at his home GP in Mugello, the Italian went on to make his 300th start across the classes, and the following week in Catalonia, Dobby made his 300th consecutive start. In Japan, the Ducati rider finished in 3rd position and celebrated his 100th career podium. And in the same year that Valentino Rossi celebrated his 40th birthday, the Doctor celebrated his 400th MotoGP start in Australia as he continues to raise the bar for generations to come.
40 years of age now, Rossi, but he's still got the hunger, the passion, the desire and the commitment to be racing at the top level in MotoGP.
And Rookie and Independent Rider of the Year, Fabio Quartararo, has been the most successful rookie since Marc Marquez made his debut in the Premier class back in 2013. The French rider scored 7 podiums and 6 poles in his rookie season and is set to be one of the title contenders for next year. 2019 also marked an important year for MotoGP as we turned 70, celebrating the first ever race in 1949. And at the Spanish Grand Prix we celebrated 300 races of the modern MotoGP era, which kicked off in 2002. A big year in numbers, but 2020 awaits. What does the future hold for MotoGP?